Hey friends, if you wish to fix fltmgr.sys blue screen error on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So first of all, you need to run the SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a checkdisk scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type chkdsk space /r space /f and hit enter. Now, if that doesn't work, then you can consider updating Windows, which you should do anyway. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on Check for Updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.